Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Now pick up the stroke color and increase this stroke value. Hold shift and rotate this line. Now we take rotate tool, 35-degree angle, okay. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Again do same thing. Now hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt and adjust this pointer perfectly. Now copy. Now select all and go to Object, Expand. Now go to Pathfinder and divide it. Ungroup it. Select all unnecessary part and press Delete. Now change the color for more attractive. Here is our brand name. Increase font size. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.